now at Club Agutaya. It's a hotel located in San Vicente on the Long Beach. So we have here in San Vicente the longest beach for sure in the Philippines. It's about 14 kilometers, white sand only. And we are just on this beach now. We are not staying in a beachfront villa. We are just in the main building of the hotel. Let us give you a room tour. So we got here the beds. 2 beds here. We got one portable bed here for the baby. He's just sleeping there. So we got a TV here and a table. And then we got like a chair there. These are our luggages. We have a cabinet here. And then we have like some tea here, fridge down here. Most important, we have the AC there. That's very important. Then is the bathroom here. This is the shower. We got like a rain shower. And I think that's about it. This was the short room tour here in San Vicente's Club Agutaya. Let us show you around the place a bit. This is Long Beach. It's the longest strip of beach in the Philippines, stretching out for